Hello everyone. This video is about an all-purpose knit with an ideal tight structure, good relief, and an unusual texture. The skein consists of 5 loops and 2 rows. These 3 stitches are the main ones, making the knitting unique. You'll need to cast on a multiple of 5 plus 2 loops for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. The first row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, knit 2 divider loops. Next are the main 3 loops, knit 1, slip 1 with thread at the back, and knit 1. Again, knit 2, knit 1, slip 1 with thread at the back, and knit 1. The second row is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 2 divider loops. Next are the main 3 loops. Lift the stretch under the second loop with the right hook. Knit 1. Purl 1. And knit 1. Transfer the rightmost loop over the 3 loops and drop it. Again, purl 2. Lift the stretch. Knit 1. Purl 1. And knit 1. Transfer the rightmost loop over the 3 loops and drop it. I presented a knitted fabric with a unique raised texture, suitable for garments and accessories year-round and with any type of yarn. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.